Hey everyone, my name is JR, and here's my first quick tip in Adobe Illustrator, and it has to do with nudging. Now, there's a couple ways to move an object. You can either click and hold with the mouse and drag it, or you can click and use the arrow keys on your keyboard. And this is pretty much what they refer to as nudging, as you're only really going in very small increments using the keypad. Now, by default, whenever you click on the arrow key, you're moving the object at a 1 point value. Now, in many ways, the keyboard may be more preferable than a mouse, especially if you're only going in very small distances. So, say for example, I start by clicking and dragging this with the mouse and trying to place this so I can create like a red border. But I don't really hit it flush. I can kind of tell from the right side here that there's still a lot more red in comparison to this side. So all I need to do is just click on the red green box here and use the arrow keys, and I'm fairly flush. I'm pretty sure that's pretty close. And there could be instances where you want the increments to be much smaller, and you can actually do that in Illustrator. So if you're in Adobe Illustrator CC, go to Edit, Preferences, General, or you can use the shortcut key Control K or Command K on the Mac, and you should have a preference box that pops up with the General highlighted, and you should have keyboard increments at the top, and this is where you can change it. And as you can see, its default value is 1 point. Let's go for something a little bit smaller. Let's go significantly smaller and go 0.1. Now click on the green box here, and you can see, you can barely see it, but it's definitely moving. I'm clicking very fast, multiple times. And let's go back and to the preferences and see the difference. Let's go 1 point value. Again, press OK, click on the green box, and as you can see, a huge difference between the 1 point value versus the 0.1 value.